you know what time it is. This holiday is almost upon us. I know you got some old decorations from last year. Maybe you don't want to buy anything else. Maybe you like what you have, but you just need a little zhuzhing. I have an idea, okay? Here's what we need. We need to go get some ribbon from wherever you get your ribbon. I got this from Michaels. It was originally $9.99. I didn't pay that much. I had it on sale. I want to say maybe I paid $6 for it. But it's a whole bunch of really pretty holiday Halloween ribbon, okay? So you need to get that. You also need to go get some rubber bands, okay? So these little rubber bands. How about this cute little container? I think I got this from Michaels too. Anyway, here's what we're going to do. We are going to cut the ribbon we like. We are going to make a little loop with it, right? Tie the rubber band on. And then we're going to put it on the string in between these letters here, these little pennants, and kind of spice this up a little bit. How cute is that? So I'm not buying anything extra. I mean, I am with the ribbon, but don't tell nobody. But I'm not making anything new. How about that? That's better to say. I'm not making a new item. I am just using what I have and jazzing this up. That's what I'm doing. Okay. So this is the first little section. Here's going to be the second one. I'm trying to line them up. It does not have to be perfect to be cute, guys. It can just line up as well as you can get it. And then I'm going to do this, make it a little even. And then I'm just going to put a rubber band on it. Now, like somebody crazy, I did try to do this already when it was on the banner, okay? I had it on the banner, and then I went and did wrap the string around it and tried to tie a rubber band. It just didn't work. My fingers weren't working. My brain wasn't working. I don't know. So that's the second one. And then I'm just going to continue doing this for here and loop for here. And then I'll show you the finished product. All right, so we're coming along. We got some cute little pieces here, but let me show you how I kind of tie this little loop. So I just take my ribbon, okay, and I just loop it over to where it's about even, and then I have my finger here, and then I just take the rubber band, and I just act like I'm putting on a ponytail. Take my finger out, and then loop it again. And then that's that. I just take my finger back in there. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them here. Now, ask me why I'm over here struggling with these fingernails. It's because my bestie talked me into wearing press-on nails, and I started wearing them. And while I do think that they are cute, they make me feel very professional when I'm at work, they get on my last nerve when I am home because I can't do my stuff like I need to. I don't like struggling with my fingernails, so I'm probably just going to wear the ones that I have since I paid for them, and then I'm probably going to say goodbye to this concept of press-ons because it just doesn't work for my lifestyle. Okay, all right, so that's one side, one side, one side, one side, and then we can't forget about our end piece here. Just poke that through. And that's it. How cute is this? Now, you're probably going to think it looks weird right now because it's on my desk. Let me hang it up in my office here, my craft room here, and see what it looks like. And then I might trim up some of the ends. They're not super even. That kind of adds to the character. But I might trim up some ends, and then I'll take a picture and show you what it looks like.